the next destination in Dubai to visit is this place. This is one of the must visit for tourists and also for residents. Located in Zabil Park, welcome to Dubai Frame. It's just a 10 minutes walk from Al Jafiliya metro station if you are coming by metro. Also, you can take a bus or a taxi to reach this destination. The frame has an impressive gallery on the mezzanine level, which leads people through 3D projections, audio and visual presentations, and even curates scents and mist for an authentic retelling of city origin. This elevator gives an amazing panoramic view and takes you to the sky deck, which is 150 meters above ground level. You can also book a breakfast session at the top of Dubai Frame between 6 to 8 am. This will cost you 100 dirhams per person. One of the highlights of this unique structure is the glass skywalk deck that stretches across a length of 93 meters, connecting both the sides of Dubai Frame. You can catch a sight of Old Dubai in one side and the New Dubai on the another side. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting destinations in Dubai. This beautiful landmark celebrates Dubai's history from its humble beginning to its current glamour and prestige. There is completely nothing to fear as the glasses are crack-proof and made up of high-quality materials. This area is a virtual reality gallery that depicts Dubai 50 years from now, with Dubai's famous skyscrapers and even more structures and developments.